What it do? You already know what it is. Don't move or press another button. Street Bully TV. What's going on, people? It's been a little minute since I did an upload. I figure I'd hit y'all with with a channel update. Let y'all know what the latest is. First off, let me start by saying my apologies. I know I ain't been consistent with the uploads. I got a lot going on right now. As you can see, we just opened up a bike shop. I'll give y'all a tour of that in a minute. But give y'all an update on the vehicles. I took the H out of the bubble. The H is back in the green car now. It's back in the coupe. It's not turbo yet. I got some footage of me doing that motor swap. I'll show you guys. It'll be uploaded in a couple days, maybe a week from now or so. We're almost at that 300. We're almost at that 300 subscriber mark. As soon as we get to about 500, we're gonna start doing merch giveaways and whatnot. And we're gonna start getting this thing rocking and rolling. The wagon, I still have. I might have mentioned in another video, I did do a motor swap in the wagon over the summertime. Painted the engine bay. I got some pics. Probably see that now. Little slideshow, whatever. I ended up getting the H22 block. I put the H22 dual cam head on that. Unfortunately, something happened. I ended up going airborne with the car. Bottomed out, lost all the oil, and piston 2 connecting rod broke. So right now the car is out of commission. It's sitting, but I do got something special we're gonna save for later coming with that. I will tell y'all this, it will be H22 turbo. Already got the motor. As a matter of fact, might as well get to it. I got a JDM H22 with a spun bearing for the wagon that I'm gonna throw in there. It'll be footage of that. I already ordered a new bearing set. I ordered some H23 A1 pistons for now, just the stock cast ones to go on the block. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the crank, the 95mm crank and rods out of the F22B and put them in the JDM H22. So it'll still be 9.3 compression. I'll street tone it, probably get a little log manifold, throw the whole setup on there, and throw it back in the wagon. That'll be probably coming in the next few months. I already ordered the parts today, so well, if you're seeing this footage now, I ordered the parts yesterday. So it'll be definitely video of that, me breaking the motor down, showing y'all the what haps and whatnot. And definitely be footage of the CD5 coming soon. And this video right here, I still got footage from me putting Ty's H back in the hatch. We'll end this video off with that. But I just want to pick you guys up to speed, show you a little bit of what we got going on. So as you know, at the beginning of the channel, and if you read the channel description, I'm not only into cars, I mess with pretty much anything with a motor. So we just opened a bike shop, little hobby shop. Whether it's a Banshee, a Blaster, a KX 125, 250 RM, whatever bike you ride, we do those too. That's where it started from before we got into the Hondas. It was bike life. So getting back into my roots there, we got a spot. We in Somerset. We ain't doing a grand opening yet, but when we do, it will be a video rolling out for that. And come check us out. Bring your cars out, bring your bikes, whatever. Guns down, bikes up. That's how we doing it. That's how we living. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. Nothing crazy, little go-kart, little pit bikes, whatever. Right now, what I got going on, we're redoing a Yamaha Banshee, already broke it down. Got another Banshee here. Blaster already built. I got footage on doing this one. I'll probably upload within next month's time. R1, little clutch pack, they ain't nothing. Got a Raptor I'm working on, 700R. Waiting for some parts to come in. Things a monster too. Old school KX. Warrior I broke down already. I got some footage of this as well. As you can see, the work's cut out. I got a lot going on. Just because I haven't been uploading doesn't mean I haven't been shooting content. I just haven't had time to edit and crunch and upload stuff. So just bear with me. It's a lot of footage coming soon. Get involved, jump in the loop, making shit happen. Until then, keep bullying, and I'll link up with you guys next time. Peace.